Okay. Daddy's feeding Easton.
You sleepies.
Oh my. Oh my, somebody's hungry.
Oh my goodness.
Somebody's hungry. He just fed off Mommy.
Yeah.
And we wanted to top him off with something because he still wanted.
And he's going to drink this whole bottle.
And he's drinking a nice big old bottle full.
Yep. Oh, now you're going to go to sleepy. Oh, now you're going to go to sleep. Nope. You're tricking us.
Yeah, he's a big grown boy.
You're tricking us.
And he's already gained weight. They said it's typical to lose, but he's gained some.
Mm-hmm.
So
Look at his feet down there and
we
his
know
little legs.
we know we're doing something right. And look at those nice little feet we have. Those long toes and the long legs. All the way up to the cute little face. Easton.
Hey, buddy. Hey.
Oh, you just want to eat and go to sleep. That's okay. You go to town. It's all running down under you, too. I don't know if there's more coming out than going in. Oh, buddy. I say let him go, right? Good job. You're a champion eater, my friend. You love your food. Just like Mommy and Daddy. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.